ATV.
Okay, we're here with Robinson. New Year's Day. How you feeling?
Great, man.
Yeah? We got the workshop in here. Nice. So where should we go on this today?
You should go to the Waterfall in Ramon. You're to K21. That's the intersection for your side of the island, and you're gonna see the signs for the waterfall there. It's a rough road, so you're having this monster here.
Yeah. Turn it on?
I got it on now.
Alright, Robinsons. Let's see if I can operate this thing.
If you don't get it started, then I'm taking it from you.
It's on?
Listo. Buen viaje.
Oh, you have to hold the clutch.
Yes.
Can I start it with the clutch?
Yeah. Take two. Take two.
It should be in gear, right?
It should tell you there. You see the little light? Click down, click down.
That should be reversed. No, you can keep it running.
See? Yeah, that should be in gear.
Take three.
Take three. You're in second gear. Oh, you're good. Four.
Pero volver,
Alright. Lesson of the day.
So we are now getting on the bad part of the road. Everything has been paved so far, but now we're starting to get on the rough part of the road, which will be fun for Jason, and hopefully I'll be able to stay on. So there isn't much around here. It's pretty much just Jason and me, and every so often we bump into a few people, but it's pretty deserted. I don't know if it's normally like this or it being New Year's Day helps, but it seems like most of the time we're the only people on the road. So it's us and the cows and the occasional...
Here come some people.
And of course, the roosters.
Oh, Robinson's Rentals. They had an R on their hat. Robinson's Rentals. They get around.
We are in the biological reserve, and this is the way up to the San Ramon waterfalls. They charge $3 a person entrance fee and $2 for the bicycle. If not, you have to walk the full 3 kilometers, but with the bike at least you can get to ride 2 of the kilometers. So
It's really beautiful in here. Look at the nice...
I know. Our way up the 2 kilometers. At the 2 kilometer mark, so we have 1 more to go. As these arrows point, we have 1 kilometer left. Right now we're going to take 1 breath before making this steep hike up. Enjoy the beautiful view over there of the Lake Nicaragua and mainland Nicaragua off in the distance.
So we're here on the trail. We just saw some people. They said we're about halfway there. The sign at the beginning says 1 kilometer. However, it feels like it's been a lot longer. I think they meant it's 1 kilometer in altitude because we're both having a little bit of a time walking up this. I think we're both a little bit tired from climbing Volcano Concepcion yesterday, but we're pushing through. We have one bottle of water, one small bottle of water to get us the rest of the way. I think we got about 20 more minutes up. See ya.
Does it say how long it was?
No, but there's another arrow up there.
So here we are at San Ramon Waterfall. Beautiful. It must be even nicer when it's rainy season. The pool to swim in is not very big. I imagine it gets much fuller actually in the rainy season. But Jason's getting ready to go get in.
Alright, so we just hiked back from the waterfalls. The hike back seemed very easy compared to the hike there.
It was very slippery because it's...
Here's our transportation, and we're going back. You're driving this way.
No way.
Yeah.
We were driving and we came across these pink chickens. I've never seen little fluorescent pink chickens. I wonder if those are roosters. I wonder if they dye their feathers.
No.
They're cute. Okay, see ya, chickies. Please tell me it's working. Rainbow and we're stuck again. No good. At least we're not too far away. So I guess I will have to push Jason again.